Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the luxurious world of gourmet cuisine. We're counting down the top 5 most expensive foods in the world. The delicacies that only the rich and famous can afford, or those of us who are willing to save up for a truly unique bite.
Number 5. Fugu, pufferfish. It's fugu, the infamous Japanese pufferfish. This delicacy can cost up to $200 per serving, but that's not the craziest part.
If prepared incorrectly, eating fugu could literally be your last meal. Only certified chefs are allowed to prepare fugu because they have to carefully remove the toxic parts of the fish. One wrong cut, and it's game over. Thrill seekers, this one's for you. Number 4. Saffron. Coming in at number 4 is saffron, the world's most expensive spice. This vibrant, golden red treasure can cost up to $5,000 per pound. But before you go asking why it costs so much, let me explain. Saffron comes from the tiny stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower, and each flower produces only 3 threads. It takes about 75,000 flowers just to make 1 pound of saffron. Now that's what we call labor-intensive. But the flavor? Pure magic. 3. Wagyu beef. At number 3, we've got Wagyu beef. This isn't your average steak. This beef is so tender and marbled, it practically melts in your mouth, and it can cost up to $3,000 per pound. Wagyu cows live a life of luxury. Some are even fed special diets and get massages to make sure their meat is top-notch. The result? A buttery, rich steak that has foodies around the world drooling. Number 2. Bluefin tuna. One of the most prized fish in the world. These bad boys have fetched auction prices of over $3 million for a single fish. Yep, you heard that right. Bluefin is beloved for its rich, fatty flavor, especially in sushi. But due to overfishing, it's become rarer and more expensive. So if you're lucky enough to taste it, savor every bite. Number 1. Almaz caviar. And finally, at number 1, we've got the queen of luxury foods, Almaz caviar. This rare delicacy can cost up to $34,000 per kilogram. That's more than the price of some cars. Almaz caviar comes from the rare Iranian beluga sturgeon, and its eggs are prized for their delicate, buttery taste. If you order this dish, it's often served in a 24-karat gold tin, because when you're eating caviar like this, you've got to do it in style. Whether you're a foodie or just fascinated by luxury, these delicacies give us a taste of how the 1% dines. So, there you have it, 5 of the most expensive foods in the world. Would you try any of these, or do you think some foods just aren't worth the price? Let us know in the comments below.